In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Checkmark in PDFescape. This is a quick, free way to add a clean, professional checkmark to any PDF using just your web browser. No installs, no signups, just a few straightforward steps. First, head to PDFescape.com. Make sure you're on the official site so everything loads correctly and securely. On the home page, choose the free online option. This opens the browser-based editor, which is perfect if you just need to make a simple change like adding a checkmark. Next, select Upload PDF to PDFescape. You'll see a few different ways to get started, but upload is the most direct when you already have a file on your computer. Then click Choose File. Pick the PDF you want to edit from your device. If you're working with large documents, a quick tip. The free online version typically works best with smaller files and a moderate number of pages. If your file is very big, consider reducing its size or splitting it first so it uploads smoothly. Once your PDF loads, the editor will open with a toolbar on the left. Look for the arrow pointing down on that left side toolbar and click it to reveal more tools. This expands the list so you can access additional editing options that might be hidden by default. From the expanded tools, choose Checkmark. This tells PDFescape you want to place a checkmark symbol onto the page. Now move your cursor to the spot on your PDF where the checkmark should go, typically inside a checkbox or beside a statement. Click and drag to place and size the checkmark. Dragging diagonally will scale it up or down as you create it so you can match the exact size of the box or area you're marking. If it's not perfectly positioned on the first try, don't worry. You can drag the checkmark to fine-tune its placement and adjust the corners to resize it until it fits neatly. Aim to align it visually with any printed checkbox lines so it looks intentional and tidy. Depending on your layout, zooming in can help with precise placement. You may also see formatting options for things like color or line thickness, which can help your checkmark stand out on darker forms or blend in with grayscale documents. That's all there is to it. Open PDFescape in your browser, choose the free online editor, upload your PDF, reveal the extra tools, select Checkmark, and click and drag to place and size it exactly where you need. With these simple steps, you can mark forms, approvals, and checklists in seconds.